Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. So let us start the class. So complex number is in the form of x plus iy. X plus iy, clear? So here x is nothing but a real part and y is nothing but a imaginary part. Okay, so real part of z and imaginary part of z. Here I is nothing but imaginary number that is denoted by I, and that is called iota. Now we discuss about iota and we'll do some problems on iota. Clear? So see here, what is I? I is nothing but a square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1. So I equals to square root of minus 1 and I square is equals to squaring on both sides. What we get here? We get here minus 1. So I cube, that means here both sides are multiplied by I, we get here I cube. So I square into I is nothing but I cube. Minus 1 into I is nothing but minus I. So I power of 4. So again we are multiplied by both sides by I. So what we get here? I cube into I power of 4 minus I into I square, minus I square we get here. So minus I square value already we got here minus 1. So minus of minus 1, that equals to plus 1. So you observe here I equals to minus under root of minus 1. I square minus 1. I cube minus I power of 4 is equals to 1. Clear? So take any values. So I power of 5, I power of 6, I power of 7, I power of 8, like that here. So which values are we got here? Either root minus 1 or minus 1 or 1 or minus I. Okay, so we get here 1 minus 1 1 I minus I. These values we got only. Clear? Only I equals to square root of minus 1. So remaining all values either we get here minus 1 or 1 or I minus I. అంటే మనకు ఇప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈ I మీద వేస్తే వచ్చే వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ కూడా -1 లేదంటే 1 లేదంటే I minus I మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. Okay, so suppose for example we take here I power of 6 we take here. So how to find out here I power of 6 here? I power of 3 we get here, or I power of 4 I power of 2. Clear? So I power of 4 is nothing but 1 and I square value is minus 1. So we get here minus 1. So I power of 6 is equals to minus 1 we get here. So we got this value. So suppose I power of 8. How to take care? I power of 4 whole square also we get here. That is nothing but 1 whole square is equals to 1. Clear? So I power of 100 is there, suppose. I power of 100. How to find out I power of 100? See here. I power of 4 whole power of 25. 25 4s are 1. So that is nothing but 1 whole power of 25 is nothing but 1. So I power of 100 also we get here 1. So how to find out I power of 99 here? I power of 99 can written also. So multiples of 4 first of all we get here. I power of 4 whole power of 24 we take here. Why? Because 24 4s are 96 we get here. Okay. So remaining we have 3 I cube we get here. Okay. So I power of 4 whole power of 24 is nothing but 96 we get here. I power of 96 into I cube we get here. Clear? So I power of 4 value is 1, we know that here. So 1 whole power of 24. I cube is nothing but minus I. So I power 24 is nothing but 1, and so 1 power 24 is nothing but 1, and into minus I is there. So 1 into minus I, minus I. So I power of 99 is equals to minus I, we get here. Okay. So ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే మనకు 4 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్స్ రాసుకొని దాని తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ ఏమైనా తక్కువ ఉంటే ఆ వాల్యూని ఇలా పవర్లో రాసుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే I power of 4 ఈక్వల్స్ 1 కాబట్టి 1 పవర్ ఆఫ్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1, అంటే 1 పవర్ ఆఫ్ n ఏది తీసుకున్నా కానీ మనకు వచ్చే వాల్యూ 1 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ I power of 4లలో రాసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హియర్ 1 ప్లస్ I divide by, suppose 1 minus I is there. 1 plus I divide by 1 minus I. 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I, value is nothing but here, we get here plus I. 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I is equals to minus I, we get it. Clear? So these are the values, so remember this one. How to find out? See here, 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. So multiply and divide by 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. Why? Because in denominator value having 1 minus I. That's why by using rationalization, what we get here? 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I we get here. So 1 plus I whole square we get here, divided by 1 minus I square. Clear? So A minus 1 minus I, A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So 1 square minus I square. So 1 plus I square plus 2I we get here. So what we get here? A plus B whole square. A square 1 square and B square I square and 2AB 2I divided by 1 minus I square value minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 we get here. So 1 minus 1 plus 2I divided by 2 we get here. Clear? So minus 1 plus 1 both are cancelled, we get here 2I divided by 2. So what we get here? I we get here. So 1 plus I divided by 1 minus value, we got here I. Clear? So same as it is, 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I equals to minus I, we get here. Clear? So these are the values here. Remember this one, okay? 1 plus I by 1 minus I equals to plus I. 1 minus I by 1 plus I equals to minus I. Clear? Okay, next, first problem. The value of I square plus I power of 4 plus I power of 6 up to so on to 2n plus 1 terms. So we find out the value of this one here. I square, I power of 4, I power of 6 up to so on, 2n plus 1 terms. 2n plus 1 means odd terms. Odd number of terms are given here. Clear? So these are odd number of terms. Then the value of that one is either 0 or minus 1 or 3i or 4i. So options also given here. First option is nothing but 0. Second option is minus 1. Third option is 3i and fourth option is 4i. So see here, we know that here, first of all, I square plus I power of 4 plus I power of 6. Then after what we take here, I power of 8, I power of 10 up to so on we write here. Clear? So how many times are there? 2n plus 1 terms are there. 2n plus 1 terms is, 2n plus 1 is nothing but odd number. So odd number of terms we take here. Okay. So first of all, I square is equals to, we know that here, that is minus 1. Clear? So I power of 4 is equals to what we get here? I power of 4 equals to plus 1. Already we discussed this one. I square equals to minus 1. I power of 4 equals to 1. Okay. So I power of 6 is there. So I power of 6 equals what we get here? See here. I power of 6 is nothing but I power of 4 and into I power of 2. So again what we get here? Minus 1. Clear? So suppose we are taking only I square plus I power of 4 plus I power of 6. What we get here? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So only we are taking these three terms here. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, we get here minus 1. Clear? Okay. Next, suppose we take here I square plus I power of 4 plus I power of 6 plus I power of 8. What we get here? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, we get here 0. Clear? So observe this one here. These are how many terms are given here? Taken here 3 terms here. 3 is nothing but odd. Here 4 terms even. Clear? So even number of terms we take here, suppose, then what we get here? We get here 0. Odd number of terms we get here, we take here, suppose what we get here? We get here -1. Okay, so -1 is the answer for odd terms. Suppose here even terms are given here 2n, that is nothing, 2n terms. Then what is the answer here? That is first option is the right answer. Clear? So 2 questions are included. This one only given one question. Suppose I square plus I power of 4 plus I power of 6 up to so on 2n plus 1 terms. Odd number of terms are given here. Then what we get here? We get here -1. Even number of terms are given here, suppose. Then what we get here? We get here 0. Clear? So here for this problem 2 is the option number 2 is the answer. That is nothing but -1 is the answer. Clear? So next, second problem. If 2i square plus 6i cube plus -6i power 49 plus 4i power of 25 that equals to x plus iy, then find out the value of x comma y. So options are, first option is nothing but 1 comma 4, second option is -5 comma -8, third option is -1 comma 4, fourth one is -1 comma -4. So we know the values here. First of all, I square, we know that is -1, I cube minus I power of 4 is equals to 1. So remember these values first of all. Okay, so I square equals to -1, I cube equals to I power of 4 equals to 1. Okay, so now we take it 2i square plus 6i cube plus 3i power of 46 minus 6i power of 49 plus 4i power of 25 is equals to x plus iy is given here, x plus iy. So 2 into I square is nothing but -1, directly we write here. You know that 6 of I cube value minus I we write here, plus 3 of I power of 46 is there. So see, first of all we take only this one, more than 4, that is multiple of 4 value very near to multiple of 4. అంటే 4 కి దగ్గర ఉన్న మల్టిపుల్స్ తీసుకుంటే 4 I power of 4 11s are 44. Clear? So 4 power of 4 I power of 4 whole power of 11 we write here. So remaining 2 will be exist here. So that is nothing but can it also I square. Clear? So I power of 46 can it also I power of 4 whole power of 11. అంటే 4 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్స్ ఏవైతున్నాయో ఫస్ట్ అవి రాసుకోండి, మిగిలిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంటూ వేసేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఏంది 4 11s 44 అంటే ఇంకా 2 తక్కువనే కాబట్టి I స్క్వేర్ రాస్తాం. క్లియర్? సో ఎందుకంటే I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 వాల్యూ మనకు 1 కాబట్టి 1 పవర్ ఆఫ్ 8 తీసుకున్నా కానీ మనకు వచ్చే వాల్యూ 1 వస్తుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు I స్క్వేర్ మనకు తెలిసి ఎంత అంటే -1 కాబట్టి, అంటే I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 46 వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి -1 వస్తుంది. I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 46 ఈక్వల్స్ టు -1. క్లియర్? సో ఈ సైడ్ చేసిన పర్లేదు, ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ చేసిన పర్లేదు. క్లియర్? So this is nothing but -1. We got it. Clear? So I power of 46 that equals to I power of 4 whole power of 11 into I square. So this is 1 and this is -1. So that's why we get here -1. I power of 46 value -1. Clear? Okay. Next, I power of 49. How to write I power of 49? I power of 4 whole power of 12. We write here 12 4s are 48. Clear? 12 4s are 48. So 48 remaining 1 is there, 1 I. So I power of 1 we write here. So this is nothing but 1. 1 power of 12 is nothing but 1 into I. So I power of 49 is nothing but I is equals to I. So -6 into I we write here. Plus I power of 25 is there. So again multiples of 4. So 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Remaining 1 I will be there. So we write here 1 I. So 1 into I power of 4 value 1. 1 power of 6 is nothing but 1 and into I. So I we get here. I power of 25 equals to I we get here. Okay, so 4 into I, that equals to x plus iy, we get here x plus iy. Okay, minus 2 minus 6i, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 6i plus 2 minus minus 3 minus 6i plus 4i is equals to x plus iy, we get here. So minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, so minus 6 minus 6 minus 12 plus 4 minus 12 plus 4 minus 8i, we get here. That equals to x plus iy. That implies x equals to real part is nothing but minus 5 and imaginary part y equals to minus 8. So x comma y value is equals to minus 5 comma minus 8. So this is nothing but option number 2. Next problem, the smallest positive integer n for which 1 plus I whole power 2n is equals to 1 minus I whole power of 2n is. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు స్మాలెస్ట్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ n ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏముంటుండు, అది ఈ కండిషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. అయితే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్లో n వాల్యూ దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. అంటే మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్ అంటే 4 అని ఇచ్చిండు, 8, 2, 12 ఇచ్చిండు. స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి కదా. క్లియర్. సియర్ 1 plus I whole power of 2n that equals to 1 minus I whole power of 2n is there. Okay, so given condition is this one. We find out a smallest value of n. Clear? So see here, 1 plus I 1 minus I whole power of 2n whole power of 2n. So observe this condition here, 1 plus I whole power of 2n divided by 1 minus I whole power of 2n. Both sides divided by 1 minus I whole power of 2n. Then we get here 1. అంటే బోత్ సైడ్స్ మనకి 1 minus I whole power of 2n తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ పవర్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి దీన్ని డిస్కస్ చేయడానికి 1 అవుతుంది. క్లియర్ రైట్ నౌ. సో 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power of 2n we get here, that equals to 1. So we know the value of this one, that is nothing but I whole power of 2n. 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I is nothing but plus I. 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I is nothing but minus I. Clear? So I whole power of 2n is equals to 1 we get here. Okay, so what is the smallest value for equals to 1? That is nothing but I power of 4 is equals to 1. This is the smallest value. అంటే దీనికన్నా ముందు ఏ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నా మనకు -1 కానీ -i కానీ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 మాత్రమే 1 వస్తుంది. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ 4, 8 అలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంటాయి. అంటే ఏంది, ఈ 1కి ఈక్వల్ అయ్యే వాల్యూ 2 పవర్ ఆఫ్ n ఈక్వల్స్ మనకి ఏమైందంటే 4 అవుతుంది. 2 power of n equals to 4. That means here n equals what we get here? 2 we get here. సో అందుకని ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ మనకు I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం 4 అని తీసుకొని ఆప్షన్ 1 అని టిక్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ మనకు 4 ఇచ్చింది. కాబట్టి మనకు అడిగింది ఇలా అడగలే, ఏమిచ్చిండు? I పవర్ ఆఫ్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ n? దెన్ n equals to 4 we take here. But we got here I power of 2n. That means that n equals to we take here 4. That means here n equals to 2 we get. అంటే ఇది ఇలా వస్తే డైరెక్ట్ n equals to 4 అవుతుంది. ఆప్షన్ 1 కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ మనకు ఏమొచ్చింది? I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2n. ఇక్కడ 2n ఇచ్చింది, పవర్ 2n ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి మనకు 2n ఈక్వల్స్ మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? 4 తీసుకోవాలి. అప్పుడు n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే 2n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 4 ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలంటే I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. దిస్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ I పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. సో అంటే ఏంది, పవర్ అనేది 4కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతేనే 1 అవుతుంది. అంటే 2n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 4, దెన్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 we get. సో ఆప్షన్ 3 is the right answer. Clear? So model problems on iota. First problem is, if I power of 4 plus I power of 9 plus I power of 16 divided by 2 minus I power of 8 plus I power of 10 plus I power of 15 plus 1 is equals to a plus ib, then a comma b is equals to first option 1 comma minus 2, second option 0 comma 2, third option is 2 comma minus 1, fourth option is minus 2 comma 2. Okay, next second problem is nothing but the value of 1 minus I whole divided by 1 plus I whole power of 10 plus 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power of 4, that equals to how much? First option is 0, second option is 1, and third option is minus 1, fourth option is 2. Okay, so next third one, the smallest positive integer n for which 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power of n is equals to 1 is equals to is అంటే మనకు స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏమంటుంది ఏంటిది 4 3 2 8 అంటుంది n వాల్యూ అనేది. ఓకే, ఇవి చేయండి, చేసి ఆన్సర్స్ అనేది మన కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి ఆన్సర్స్ అనేది. ఓకే.